Remember that. The Stoics said that. The Stoics even said that. Uncertainty. Your brain doesn't like uncertainty. It will choose to be it will choose unhappiness over uncertainty every single time. Every single time. So your problem, your brain's problem is that it doesn't like things that are not certain. So if I tell you that you will wake up in the morning and everything bad is going to happen to you, what will you think about then? You will think about this. Okay, fine. I will most likely fail in everything that I'll do. What can I salvage from that? So I'll fail. What can I do today, which is in my power, even if I have to fail? What can I do? To face it positively, exactly. What can I do to face that failure positively? So if you know that you are about to fail, you have to build up an arsenal to take that failure head on. It's very, in